This is how to add Celo network in MetaMask. Maybe you just downloaded your MetaMask on your mobile app and you are looking for Celo network. You can see I already have BNB chain network here. If you want any other network, you tap here, But if you scan through all this place, there's no Celo network. To add Celo network to your MetaMask wallet, you come to this place. You tap on custom. You can still see here there's no Celo network here. So you tap on add a custom network. So the first thing you feel is input the name of the network, which is Celo network. The next one is RPC URL. You see all these details. I'm going to paste it here for you to copy. I'll fill in all this for you to see how this behave on your phone when you are doing it. For RPC URL, you tap this arrow, you tap it. You can see add RPC URL, you tap it. You type this URL, you make sure it is exactly how it is pasted here. You can just type Celo RPC URL here, then you tap add RPC URL, add RPC URL. The next one that remains is this block explorer URL. You tap it, you tap this plus, add block explorer URL. You type this URL, then you submit, you tap save, you tap it. You can see Celo Mainnet, which is the network. To add any other token under Celo network, you tap this place, you tap here. This is Celo native asset. You can select this one. Next, you import it. You can see this is Celo native token, which is the same thing like this, but this is the original logo. So for you to import JMPT token, tap plus sign, search, tap that place and type JMPT. You can see it here. You select it, you click next, then you tap import. You can see this is JMPT token and this is the amount I have in my JMPT token. That is how to make your JMPT token to show up in your wallet. You have to import it. So this is how you add and make your Celo network to show up inside your MetaMask wallet. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Like this video. You'll be able to get this kind of tutorials every time. Also, ensure you take advantage of my link, which is below the description of this video. You'll be able to have access to claim huge crypto reward bonus. Ensure you check it out. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.